Did you know that engaging in artistic flow activities can improve problem-solving skills and boost overall well-being? It's Sunday and time for Better with Art. But new Better with Art videos will no longer be posted here on Melinda Van Rye Art, but on my new Better with Art channel. If this project is something you would like to engage in for creative flow, for creative self-care, you can find the link to the full video in the description. You will also learn how this activity helps our brain in so many ways. When I say taking time to make art is not a waste of time, it's not just our mood I'm talking about. Our mental health is incredibly important. And making art helps mental health. And not just in the emotional sense. It really helps our minds. If you are here on this Sunday morning, or whenever you stumble upon it, for a creative self-care prompt, I would love to see you on the new channel. In today's video, you'll learn how making this type of art strengthens visual processing and spatial awareness, how it contributes to mindfulness and how that reduces stress, how it can help neurological conditions and keep our minds sharp, as well as being able to keep up with my new content and receive the encouragement of weekly reminders to practice creative self-care with art. Hopping over to the new Better with Art channel and subscribing will also help me reach more people. It's going to take a bit of time to build up the new channel, and I'm a little disappointed that my first videos over there won't have as much reach as quickly as if I posted them here, but that's part of the reason this is here. So for your own mental health and to help me reach others, hop on over, subscribe, enjoy the video, like, comment, share. Most importantly, take time to make art, because we are better with art.